100% challenge. You can copy paste from that Google or AI in just 2 seconds. But the way I explain it, bro, that's premium edition is not available in the world, in the planet, in the universe. From the cinematic drawing, we'll hand down the secret home address of like A, B, C, and O. I mean to say the finding coordinate of A, B, C. If I ask you where is the position of C, it's 0, 4, 0. But why? Let's see and let's watch. This is the C point on the positive y axis. This is positive x. This is y and this is positive x. This is z. I have already drawn a circle which is the phi body diagram of the question circle sections. Here right side is the positive y axis, below lower side positive y axis, and my black pen is z axis. Okay, let's find the coordinate of C. C point is the plane of the page, no height, because C is just lie on the copy page. Then z equal to 0. No displacement according to x-axis. Along x-axis no displacement. So x coordinate 0, only y coordinate. Radius is given 4. That is the coordinate of C, 0, 4, 0. If I say the coordinate of A is 3.464, 3.464, comma minus 2, comma 0. But question is that why and how? Don't worry, I will break it down for step by step so your goldfish could follow along mixing it up. Let's find the coordinate of A. Here the angle 120 degree, okay? Because question says not I am. This full angle black section 120 degree. But angle between x-axis and y, this is the perpendicular. That means this section equal to 90, this total equal to 120. If we 120 and 90 minus from 120, that 130 degree, then the similar small angle is 30 degree, which is A. Center of the circle to A, the line and x-axis, this angle 30 degree. If I component of A along x-axis, what? You say 4 cos 30 because radius is 4, angle is 30. Where theta attach, you attach cos. Where theta does not attach, you attach sine. Here the center of the circle and capital A is 4. Then component along x-axis is 4 cos theta. Okay. Similarly, component along y, 4 sin theta. Wait, here 4 cos theta positive because here the positive direction, positive y. Similarly, y direction, this is positive, but in for case y right side positive, next left side negative. The coordinate of y 4 sin 30 because theta not attached, so I attach sin 4 sin 30. Negative for the reason because it's along to the negative y axis. So finally coordinate of A, x coordinate 4 cos 30, y coordinate minus sin 30. Obviously z0, no height here. Okay, let's play. So finally we got the coordinate of A, 4 cos theta minus 4 sin theta and 0. If you simplify this equation, 3.464 comma minus 2 and 0. This is the reason of why and how. Similarly, coordinate of B, what? Now you have to find that and comment section drop your answer. Okay. Coordinate of B same but in the minus side. Minus 3.464 minus 2 and 0. And coordinate of origin 0, obviously 0, 0, 6. because no x displacement, no y displacement, only height, which is given 6 foot. Question says that height is 6 foot, not I am giving you. Okay, this is 6. So now I have 4 coordinate A, B, C and O. Now we have to catch position vector of each chain length, means OA vector, OB, OC. Okay, position vector. If you are stuck and can't figure out, just drop a comment. I will explain it again in the next lecture. So now we have to find position vector of OA, OB and OC. Basically three chain which is given by the question, not I am giving you. What is the process of finding position vector? OA position vector, second term is A, first term is O. Second term minus first term. That means A vector minus O vector. A coordinate minus O coordinate. 3 point something minus 0. That means something minus 3.464. Next, minus 2 minus 0. That means minus 2. 0 minus 6. That means minus 6. This is the process. Similarly, you can find position vector of OB. Position vector of OB, then you can have to find position vector of OC. Here position vector of OB is minus 3.464 minus 2 comma minus 6, and position vector of OC is 0, 4 and minus 6. Calculate and simplify. Automatically pops up the OC vector. Okay, now our third step. Find the length or magnitude value of OC position vector, OB position vector and OA position vector respectively. That means I want to say length of OA or length of OB or length of OC. Okay, notice and remember, keep on your mind. Actually 3 line is a chain which is hanging from the height h. That means 3 chain are equal each other. That is length of OA equal to length of OC equal to length of OB. Yes or no? Just comment and like. Length formula, just coefficient square. If I cap, j cap, k cap, coefficient here square, or coordinate available, then coordinate square, sum and under root. Final pops up, the answer is 7.211. Which answer? The length of the each chain, not question's answer. Okay. Now you have to find unit vector. Unit vector. How to find unit vector? Unit vector is the ratio of vector and length, magnitude value. So find unit vector standing tail, then drop your answer in YouTube comment section. You will be look the Vinci code. UA unit vector of OA equal to OA vector by length of OA. Similarly for unit vector of position OB, similarly unit vector for position OC. Here all component given and length of the all chain we know that. So unit vector of AB is OA divided by length of OA. Length of OA, that means 7.211, and the position vector value, just put it. Similarly find both unit vector for OB and OC. Okay, next do simplify and calculate, because it's the divide format. So each component divided by 7.211. Simplify the unit vector of all chain OA, OB, OC position vector. Okay. Anyway, I will show you the world best approach using my method. You will not only learn to a quite like a pro, but also secretly pick up all the old student stuff. Anyway, question says that the resultant vector or resultant force is 130. and this 130 working along the z axis, it's not along x axis or y axis. Okay, in the along x axis and y axis the system is in equilibrium. This force, this ultimate resultant exists only z axis. Clear? So we can written as f a vector plus f b vector plus f c vector equal to what? Say, just pause the video and comment what can I write. 0 because resultant in x axis 0, resultant in y axis 0, but resultant in z axis 130. So summation of 3 vector, the coordinate is 0 0 130. That is 0 I cap, 0 j cap, 130 k cap, nothing else. Okay, then next page. Now we have to find fa vector. How to find fa vector? Any vector can find as magnitude value multiplied by unit vector. So if a vector equal to fa into unit vector of fa, so if a is unknown but unit vector is known, 0.480 comma minus 278 comma minus 0.833. In Cartesian form, with respect to I cap, j cap, k cap is 0.480 fa I cap minus 0.278 fa j cap minus 0.833 fa k cap. Similarly, find the value of fb vector and fc vector. Okay. Now fb vector equal to length of the fb and unit vector of p. In the format of I cap, j cap, k cap, you can directly written as minus 0.480 fb I cap, then plus minus 0.278 fb j cap, then again minus 0.833 fb k cap. Okay, this is the value of fb vector. Now we have to write another vector and last one fc vector. Okay, so find it fc, just nothing, f magnitude of c and unit vector of c. Okay, so written as fc vector equal to, again fc means 0, z axis 0, unit vector of c 0, 0 component. So 0 into fc 0, 0 I cap, which does not mean anything anyways, plus 0.555 j cap, 0.555 fc j cap, and the last one, each component of fa, fb, fc last one is same, minus 0.833 fc k cap. Okay, again I am showing the world best approach. Using my method, you will not only learn to quite like a pro, but also secretly pick up all the old student stuff too. Let's back for calculating. Along x-axis, all component of x-axis means all I cap, like 0.480 fa, I cap of fb minus 0.4 fb j cap, and fc is I cap 0. So this is 0 because resultant of x-axis 0. Here we find fb equal to fa. Okay, this is very important. The relation between two forces of the chain, which chain? OA and OB. Okay. Similarly, using y-axis, you have to take all j coordinate, and resultant of the y-axis what? 0. So in the left hand side, all I cap coefficient adding equal to right side 0, and we can find fc equal to fb. Now last one is the z axis. To write down the z axis, in left hand side write down all k cap coefficient all k cap coefficient in addition. Okay, and right side, what is the resultant? Here not 0, here 130. Okay, so now along z axis, note that along z axis, here resultant not 0, resultant what? 130, giving by the question. So k cap coefficient, what is the coefficient of k cap? Minus 0.833, minus 0.833. All coefficient are same. Show all coefficient addition in the section of left hand side, which is equal to the right hand side 130. So we can written as 0.833 fa minus 0.833 fb minus 0.833 fc equal to 130. Now force of the all chain are equal. If A equal to FB equal to FC, which is R, let R. So replace the FA, FB, FC and putting R. So R equal to, if you calculate, the value will be 52. This will be the final answer. This is the final answer. Thank you and hope see you again in the next lecture. Good morning.